Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. MR, that is a mitral regurgitation. So first we'll be doing the stages and we'll move on to the management. So first is the stage A. Stage A means at risk of MR. So there is risk of MR. And what is the valve prolapse and the coaptations? So it includes the prolapse, and this can be the mild, and the coaptation, this will be normal. Now what will be the hemodynamical changes? It will be not seen. It is not seen. Next we move on to the B type. B type means it is progressive. So A means it's a. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.